Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to install Attack Shark X68HE software driver setup and configuration. Step 1 is, guys, go to the official website and download the software. For this, visit the Attack Shark website and navigate to the support and download, and find XE8 model and select the option of software and driver. Then download the latest version of the utility software and save the installer to an easy accessible folder. After that, installing the driver and the utility, double click the download installer file and grant the administrator permission if prompted. Select your preferred language for installation and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup, and choose the installation directory or use the default. Click finish. Okay, last step is initialize the setup and customization. Connect your Attack Shark, launch the newly installed Attack Shark utility, explore button assessment section to read map keys, then adjust DPI setting in the performance tab, create a assign macros in macro editor, and customize your RGB lighting effect if applicable. Okay, so this is the simple way that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.